Hello, welcome to the channel Sanchoita, and this dictation is for the aspirants of Scouts stenographer. My name is Tanmay De and I have a stenography school. Today I am going to dictate a part of a judgment of Calcutta High Court. Speed of this dictation will be 80 words per minute. Total words 603. Remember, after the dictation, you will get outlines of legal words and phrases and the full passage. Now, be ready. I will start my dictation after the countdown of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. The respondents are not represented despite service. The delay of about 150 days in preferring the appeal is condoned in view of the good grounds shown. The insurance company is in appeal primarily on the ground that the offending motorcycle in this case was either driven at the relevant time by an unauthorized person or at any rate by a person not having a valid driving license. The insurance company submits that in such a situation the award ought to have been against the owner and not the insurance company. It appears that the owner was represented before the tribunal. At least the owner came to dispose, and it was the owner's oral evidence that she had allowed her son to use the motorcycle and was not aware whether the son possessed a driving license for such purpose. It appears from several judgments of the Supreme Court, including the one reported within bracket 2004 3 SCC 297 within bracket National Insurance Company Limited versus Soran Singh bracket close, that when it comes to third party victims or heirs of such third party victims, to ensure that the compensation is promptly reached to those entitled thereto, the insurance company is directed to pay off the amount, with liberty being granted to the insurance company to recover the same from the owner. In a matter governed by Section 166 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988, some fault on the part of the motor vehicle involved in the accident has to be demonstrated for a claimant to be entitled to compensation. Once such fault is demonstrated, the court sees whether there is a contract of insurance. If the contract of insurance is found, it is the insurance company which is directed to pay, so that there is no difficulty on the part of the claimant to immediately receive the compensation. Ordinarily, the insurance companies are much more solvent than the insured. However, where the court feels that the fault was solely the owner's, the insurance company is given liberty to recover the amount from the owner. Such procedure has been adopted since it is possible that the owner is unable to pay immediately or may not have the resources to discharge the award made on account of compensation, since the very purpose of the beneficial legislation is to ensure that the compensation promptly reaches the victim or the family of the victim. The Supreme Court has devised a policy where the insurance company pays up at the first instance only to be entitled to recover the same in appropriate cases from the insured. In this matter, an arguable case has been made out by the insurance company that the insurance company may have been absolved of its liability under the insurance policy upon the vehicle being driven by an unauthorized person, or at any rate by a person without a license. In either case, it would be the owner's liability. Accordingly, the appellant is directed to issue a notice to the owner appending a copy of this order, indicating that the appeal will appear in the monthly list of September 2019, when the owner should be represented, or it may be inferred from the owner's absence that the owner may not be interested in the matter. The notice to be served by the appellant along with a copy of this order will be regarded as the notice of appeal. Similar notices should be issued to all other respondents. There will be an unconditional stay of the operation of the impugned award dated June 19, 2018 till July 20, 2019. The stay will continue thereafter subject to the deposit being made as provided hereunder. Stop writing. Now you should try to read your script and then do transcription. If you find too many omissions, then you can practice the given outline and then take this dictation once or twice. Now I am showing you important outlines relating to this passage. This is part 1. This is part 2. You can also take screenshot. Now I am showing you the passage. This is part 1. This is part 2. And this is the final part. Thanks very much for watching. If you think this dictation is useful to you, then give your response or suggestions through comments under the below comment section of this video. For regular classes, you can subscribe my channel and share with your friends.